Welcome! Today in front of me Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should go into the Movies Edge application here, and after that select the new tab, for example, if you want. For example, I'll go with this one. Then just click here to apply. Here we can just change the backgrounds if you want. As can you see. Okay, also we can just hide the music controls here after 10 seconds, or just don't hide them. We can also show incoming notification just by click once on the switcher. We can turn it on or turn it off. Then we also can show the date, the battery status, always while device charging, never, will stay with it always. And now just go back here, tap to the settings, click to the always on display, and here also we can change the show AOD time, always while device charging, or also when we'll play the music. We can also change the screen timeout from 1 minute just to never. We can decrease or increase the brightness level, close the AOD by double tap, single tap on the lock screen, and also we can change or close the finger with the fingerprint scanner if you got activated your fingerprint recognition here. And also we can turn on or turn off the just activate to turn off shadow and to disable the during calls. So that's it, that's how to customize always on display feature on our Realme Narzo device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.